Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the pre-market report from Stock Market Guideline. Today is Wednesday, the middle of the week, and yesterday we saw a continuous selling in the market, and last hour selling again pulled down Nifty to 16,983 level to close. That means 257 points lower than the previous closing. FIIs were net sellers for 4,612 crores, whereas domestic institutions were net buyers for 2,430 crores. The major question before us, whether the weak trend may continue or whether we get a pullback from the lower level. That's the major question before us for today's trading. Before going to today's trading expectations, let us look the global clues. Yesterday, American markets opened slightly weak, but after that, we got a very good rally in American market around 500 points. But last 1 hour again, the selling pulled out the indexes of US, and finally Dow Jones closed almost flat, whereas S&P 500 closed 0.6% lower and Nasdaq closed 1% lower. European markets also looked weak yesterday. FTSE 1% lower, DAX 0.4% lower, and CSE closed almost flat. Today morning, all the Asian markets looks weak. Nikkei is down by 0.1%, almost flat, whereas Hang Seng is down by more than 1%, and Kospi down by 0.3%. Shanghai and Taiwan is trading around 0.5% each. SGX Nifty also indicating a flat opening in our market. And coming to the trend of our market, the trend is looks neutral but slightly bearish, and the range for the Nifty, or the broader range for Nifty, as I told you yesterday, it will be between 16,650 to 17,450 level. But the range for today that we expect is 16,750 to 17,050 level. 17,050 will act as a good resistance for Nifty. If 17,050 breaks, you can expect 17,200 as the next resistance for Nifty. Below 16,750, 16,650 will act as a very good support for Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, yesterday Bank Nifty moved within the range that we told you in the morning, and closed 380 points lower at 38,712 level. And the range for Bank Nifty that we expect today is 38,250 to 39,150. Below 38,250, 38,000 will be a very good support for Bank Nifty. And above 39,150, 39,300 can be considered as a very good resistance for Bank Nifty. Coming to other news, yesterday India VIX gone up by 4.42% and closed at 20.49 level. Day before yesterday it was 19.62 level. Anyway, India VIX gone up because of the more volatility in the market, and more selling pressure also we saw in the market yesterday. And crude dips further on the expectation of a recession or the fears of a recession, and yesterday crude moved from 96 to 93 level, and today morning Brent is trading around 93.7, whereas NYMEX is around 88.6. IMF, that is International Monetary Fund, IMF downgraded India's growth rate. The GDP forecast will be 6.8% for the financial year 22-23 as per the forecast of IMF. So that is 60 basis points down from the earlier expected or earlier forecast. And the stocks to watch for today are Wipro and HCL, as the quarterly result is expected today. So ahead of quarterly results, there will be more movement in HCL Tech and Wipro. And Suzlon Energy received an order for the development of 144.9 megawatt wind power project for Aditya Birla Group. And the results that is expected for today, as I told you, HCL Tech and Wipro are the major companies. And in the F&O band list, there are 3 companies: Delta Corporation, Indiabull Housing Finance, and India Cements. These are the major news that may be affected in our market, our stock market. And coming to the market movement expectations, today market may open flat, but a slight upward movement can be expected in the opening time. But definitely there will be selling as well as profit booking may pull down the indices. That's what we expect. Anyway, 17,050 will act as a very good support. 16,750 will act as a very good support for Nifty. That's all for today. Wish you all a very happy trading day. Thank you.